The weight of self-doubt. Does it ever feel like life has taken more than it's given? Living with chronic pain, illness, or caring for someone who does can leave even the strongest of us questioning our worth. Confidence? It feels like a distant memory. The energy to push through another day? Almost gone. But what if this isn't where your story ends? What if this is just the beginning of something better? A way to reclaim your strength and feel truly alive again? I've been there, and I know you can find that spark again. It's not easy, but it's possible. Let me show you how by sharing something that could change everything. Remember who you are. You are not your diagnosis. You are not your circumstances. You are so much more. You are resilient, capable, and worthy of confidence, even when it feels like life is telling you otherwise. Think about the battles you fought, the times you got up when you thought you couldn't, the love you give even when you're running on empty. That's strength. Now imagine if that strength was paired with unshakable confidence. How different could your days feel? There's a way to rebuild what feels lost. Confidence isn't just about looking strong, it's about feeling strong inside. When confidence is stripped away by life's challenges, everything feels heavier. It's harder to advocate for yourself, to make decisions, to even believe in your own voice. But here's the truth: confidence can be rebuilt. Slowly, surely, and in a way that fits your life and your pace. Imagine walking into each day with a little less fear and a little more belief in yourself. It's not a dream, it's a choice. I'll show you how to take that first step. Keep watching. You deserve to feel whole again. You've given so much, to others, to surviving, to simply making it through. Now it's time to give something to yourself. This isn't about perfection. It's not about fixing what's broken. It's about rediscovering the person who's been there all along. The one who is strong, worthy, and capable of so much more than they realize. You can start the journey back to that version of yourself. You'll learn how to rebuild your confidence in a way that feels authentic, manageable, and empowering. The best part? You're not alone in this. We'll walk this path together. Your new beginning starts today. What if today was the day everything changed? Not because life suddenly got easier, not because someone waved a magic wand, but because you decided to take the first step toward feeling like yourself again. The Confidence Challenge is here to guide you, starting right now. No false promises, no quick fixes, just a proven way to help you feel stronger, more capable, and more confident than you've felt in years. This is your moment. Don't let it slip by. You've carried the weight long enough. Now let's lighten the load together. Imagine, in just 20 minutes you can start this journey. Go to thejurassicmom.com to find how you can start rebuilding your confidence today.